So the TMA Foundation has been instrumental. They've connected us with businesses and companies in the area and within our area. They've monetarily helped us fund equipment like our CNC mill, one of our CNC mini mills, our manual lathes. They've also been instrumental in mini grants and providing, like, we have a lot of former students that are now a part of the TMA that have either finished their TMA apprenticeships or working through their TMA apprenticeships. So TMA has been on multiple levels, been monumental in providing opportunities for our students and then for our graduates as well.
The impact of the TMA and TMA Educational Foundation has been astronomical. I mean, you can't undersell how much they've done. From helping us get off the ground, they also helped launch like a networking group of machining teachers in all of Chicagoland. So now those teachers get together and they share best practices. And I know we're not the only school that TMA and the foundation has helped. I know they've helped many other schools.
I like that it gives me a break from just sitting at a desk and being lectured at. I can get up, be on my feet, move around, and like actually see something that I'm working on take form instead of an equation that I don't know if I got right or wrong.
I think they're very important because not a lot of high school offer general engineering classes, and this is what gets people interested in engineering and can shape their future. And especially people that don't want to go to college, they have a lot of opportunities to go working after high school.
It's a really cool opportunity for students to start their career experience, and TMA is really supportive also of our college partnership with Project Higher Ed and COD, and they've been really instrumental in providing a full comprehensive package to really support students in manufacturing careers, because if one student goes into a manufacturing career, it helps the whole industry, and they think really globally upon all the opportunities that these students could have in the manufacturing landscape. So thank you, TMA, for allowing us to partner with you.